What's good, guys? Derek here from DaseDesigns.com, back with another video. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so in today's video, as you can see, we got a dark angel. It's just like a fallen angel logo for you guys to check out. Recently, I was hired to create this logo. They were really looking for something, really dark. Some of his words were like something dark but still kind of beautiful and sexy. So that's what we got for this, kind of like demonic chick, like a fallen angel. So yeah, like the first thing that came to mind was kind of like dark lipstick and then just like an angry face and just like white, pale skin. So that's kind of the whole vibe for the whole logo, very pale, kind of cold, so if you were to like see her in person, you touch her skin, it'd probably be like super cold, So like a vampire type of style going. So that's kind of the vibe we got for that. And she's also holding like two axes, like combat axes, and then she's got like 4 wings. This concept overall is like really, it's far more detailed than the usual logo concept I usually go for, but turned out super dope. They enjoyed it, and I think it's super sick as well. So I really hope you guys enjoy that. Another thing he was that he mentioned was kind of like having a handprint on the face. I felt like it was going to be too much. Just because the logo, the wings take up most of the logo, so her face is going to be even smaller. So when you add details to her face, when you zoom out and see it on a small scale, it's just kind of going to look not necessarily crappy, but it'll just be hard to understand. It'll kind of just look like a mess, and it'll just blur out to the eye. Our eyes are going to attract to the easiest thing that is able to be understood. So the thickest, boldest line in comparison to something super bright is the first thing our eye is going to attract. So that's something to keep in mind when you're making logos. The more detailed they are, the more blurry it's going to be, and the harder it's going to be able to be understood on a small scale, which is super important nowadays, considering social media is so big and profile icons are so small, guys. So really keep that important, man. The importance of simplicity is super important for logos for that reason. So yeah, that's pretty much the logo. And right now I'm creating that sketch inside of Sketchbook Pro, in case you guys don't know. Also, I use the stock settings, so just keep that in mind. I don't use anything special going on. No funny business here. Just the stock pen settings inside the Pro version. And Adobe Illustrator for the vector logo, and then Photoshop to create some cool images at the end. And that's pretty much it. I do have a huge question for you guys. I hope you all enjoyed my previous logo tutorial series. I'm gonna be doing another one. This was gonna be coming very, very soon. So if you guys have any requests or any recommendations on the animal itself or what it should be, like the last one was a pretty simple lion. The next one I'm gonna do something different. A different animal or a different object or whatever. So yeah, if you guys have any recommendations or anything you'd like to see, be sure to leave a comment in the comment section below. It's gonna be different from my last tutorial series, and you will not want to miss out. For any updates, guys, you can always be sure to follow me on the gram, check out the stories, and also if you got any questions, be sure to hit me up on there. I usually respond within when I get the chance. And so yeah, again guys, Derek here from DaseDesigns.com. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Again, be sure to leave a comment in the comment section if you guys got any requests or recommendations on that tutorial series. It's going to be different. It's going to be bigger. You guys are going to love it for sure. So yeah, stay on the lookout, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care. Peace.